What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Magikarp from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. So I'm gonna start with drawing its lip, so we're gonna draw a semicircle at this portion here, and then I'm gonna extend that to the side and turn it downwards and back to the front on the lower portion right there. And I'm gonna take from that point a curved line right there for the tongue and another curved line on this side for the other side of the mouth. Now going back to the top point, I'm gonna make a turn back down, and then I'm gonna trace the whole outline of the mouth for the outer line, and as you reach to the front at the bottom, I'm gonna do a semicircle turn back up. And then for the front of the face, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the top portion of the mouth here to the back right there. And for the lower portion, we're gonna do a similar shape to the back. Now I'm gonna redraw the top portion right here because it needs to be steeper like that. And then from this point, I'm gonna do a semicircle line above and then extend it to the middle point right there. And then I'm gonna draw its mustache from the side, so I'm gonna start with a semicircle at the side of the mouth here and extend a curved line down and to the back as you reach the bottom. The same goes to the other side of the semicircle line, and I'm gonna join that at the tip of the mustache. Now going back to the lower line, curved line of the face, I'm gonna extend it beyond the mustache to the back. And then I'm gonna make a turn back up at this corner here, and then for its fin, I'm gonna draw a curved line up from this point here, and then make a diagonal turn to the right and up, and then I'm gonna make another turn to the back. Then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back following the same line, diagonal down and back down, and then I'm gonna make a turn diagonally down to the right, and then a sharp turn back up and to the upper tip of the fin. Now inside of the fin, I'm gonna draw a curved line in the center right there, and another one, a short one below that. And then going back to the left side of its mouth, I'm gonna draw the other side of the mustache and make a sharp turn back up right there. And then for its eye, I'm gonna draw a circle above the mustache here. And then we're gonna add a dot in the center right there for its pupil. Now for the back part of the body, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the top point here towards the fin and the back fin right there, and the same goes to the lower portion like that. And for the back fin, we're gonna draw from this point here a curved line outwards, and then make a semicircle turn at the point at the tip. And then we're gonna make a same shape for the lower part right there. And then I'm gonna draw across a curved line from those two tips, and from the top point here I'm gonna draw to the lower point a wavy line across like that, and curved line on the lower part and another one on top. I'm gonna draw across a curved line at the back portion here, and then right behind its head front portion I'm gonna draw a curved line out and diagonal line up, and then I'm gonna turn it back with the diagonal line and back to the front portion. We're gonna copy the same shape for the top part as well across that section of the body, and then below the mouth I'm gonna draw a curved line from the front to the middle line there, and another curved line right there. On top of the body we're gonna draw a crown shape part of the body, so I'm gonna draw a triangular shape right there, and a bigger one for the center part, and a smaller one for the back as well. Then we're gonna draw the lower portion similar to the top portion, but this time we're gonna do it zigzag on the bottom part right there, and there are 4 triangular shape for the bottom part.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.